Selling PDF documents are one way to add extra cash in your pocket. Monetizing PDF documents can be achieved through various means. Here are 5 ways to make money by uploading PDF documents. 1. Sell ebooks. Publishing converts your PDF documents into ebooks and sell them on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct KDP or other self-publishing platforms. You can write about topics that interest your target audience, whether it's fiction, non-fiction, instructional guides, or educational materials. 2. Offer premium content. Create valuable PDF documents or reports that provide in-depth insights, tutorials, or exclusive content on a specific topic. Offer these documents as premium downloads on your website or through a membership platform where users pay for access to high-quality content. 3. Create online courses. Develop comprehensive PDF course materials and offer them as part of online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare allow you to upload course materials, including PDFs, and monetize them by charging students for enrollment. 4. Sell templates and worksheets. Design PDF templates, worksheets, planners, or printable resources for various purposes such as productivity, organization, budgeting, or education. You can sell these templates individually or bundle them into packs and market them through your website, Etsy, or other online marketplaces. 5. Affiliate marketing. Create PDF guides or recommendation lists related to products or services in a particular niche. Include affiliate links within the PDFs, and when readers make purchases through those links, you earn a commission. Distribute these PDFs through your website, blog, or social media channels to attract potential buyers. Remember to focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience, as this will help attract customers and drive sales of your PDF documents. Additionally, promoting your PDFs through effective marketing strategies will be crucial for maximizing your earning potential.